Hey, how you doing? Today at Valence, we're going to show you another product that we've been manufacturing for a company, an automotive company. Our affiliated company built some prototypes at Lexington's facility. About 5 years ago, they worked on it, and finally we've made a new generation, and that's what we're manufacturing today. What it is for car parts to go in to make easy transportation for them down there. What we have here is a rack that holds car part assemblies, and they don't want it moving in the rack. So what the Lexington facility has designed a very nice prototype, which the customer really enjoyed us on. So basically what this is, it's a rack that holds sidecar components. And you take the lid, pull it in the strap, and it opens up full of air socket. One of the things that they wanted is they wanted to make it easier for their employees getting the parts in, getting the parts out. So basically all you do is you close the lid, shut it, and they lock in. The beauty about the locking in is when they do from one position to another position into the plant, they don't have to worry about the lid popping up and destroying their parts.